everyone, it's Ben at TV Parts today. In today's video, we're going to be going over how to do the flashlight test. This is a simple troubleshooting technique that we can use primarily in situations where the television is producing sound, but is not producing a picture on the screen. We can do this flashlight test to determine whether or not there's an issue with your main board or whether or not the backlights are firing correctly. We are going to be using just a standard flashlight here today. Any flashlight that you have at home will work just fine, even the one on your cell phone, and let's jump right into it. There is nothing wrong with your display. We do have the lights dimmed here in the studio so that we can see this very faint image when we push the flashlight up to the screen. We have the television laid down on its back just for filming purposes. You can do this while it's standing up, no problem. So the first step here, we're going to get the television turned on. And we see that standby light flicker. That's letting us know that the TV's powering up.
No signal. Please check the input connection.
So we are hearing a very faint sound. There should be something displayed on the screen here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our flashlight, we're going to press it up against the screen, we're going to turn it on. And as you start moving it around, you can see these very faint images. We can see the no signal. This is letting us know that there is an issue with the backlights and not with the main board. The main board is displaying all of the images correctly, but the backlights are not firing, generating an image on the screen. To briefly go over what these results might mean for your television, if you are seeing a faint image when you hold that flashlight up against the screen, like in today's video, that could mean that your backlights are not firing correctly. We would either need to swap out the LED driver or the power supply board. If we're holding that flashlight up to the screen and you cannot see any images behind it, that's going to lead us to believe that there's an issue with the main board, and that would need to be swapped out. That's going to do it for today's video. Pretty easy stuff here. Don't forget, subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave us a comment down below, share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time.